Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 3915 Riley's Run, an extraordinary designer showcase ranch home that feels like it's been lifted from the pages of a luxury magazine, perfectly positioned to capture breathtaking lake views. I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Prepare to be captivated from the moment you step inside. Soaring cathedral ceilings and breathtaking lake views create an unforgettable first impression in the stunning great room. The designer showcase kitchen is bright, elegant, and thoughtfully appointed with custom craft-made cabinetry, high-end appliances, quartz countertops, and a spacious center island breakfast bar. The kitchen seamlessly flows into the dining area, highlighted by modern shiplap accents and a dramatic wall of windows with a sliding glass door that opens to the expansive deck, perfect for embracing the spectacular views. The spacious living area is equally impressive, featuring a gorgeous gas fireplace with a custom mantel and a second wall of windows that floods the space with natural light. Gleaming hardwood floors tie it all together, while panoramic lake views provide a stunning backdrop from nearly every angle. The main level continues to impress with a private executive office with elegant glass French doors, and a beautifully appointed living room featuring modern shiplap accents and custom built-ins. Retreat to the luxurious primary suite where a charming bay window, gorgeous hardwood floors, and a spacious walk-in closet create a true owner's sanctuary. The spa-inspired bathroom offers the perfect place to unwind, blending comfort, elegance, and everyday luxuries. The home's impressive living space extends to the beautifully finished lower level, where an expansive bonus room offers endless possibilities for entertainment and leisure, complete with an additional bedroom, full bathroom, and exceptional storage. This versatile space is perfectly situated for guests, hobbies, or multi-generational living. Step outside and take in views as far as the eye can see. From the expansive covered deck, an entertainment-sized patio complete with a built-in fire pit, overlooking a sprawling backyard that backs to tranquil green space, this outdoor retreat offers an extraordinary setting for relaxing, entertaining, and enjoying some of the most breathtaking views you'll find anywhere. Ideally situated on a quiet neighborhood street, this exceptional property offers a rare combination of privacy, breathtaking views, expansive green space, and scenic walking trails right outside your door. Enjoy the best of the Finger Lakes lifestyle with convenient access to Canandaigua Lake at Butler Road Schoolhouse, just minutes from the vibrant city of Canandaigua.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this stunning designer showcase home. Here's to the lifestyle that awaits. I'm Rob Testa with Testa Real Estate. Cheers to living here.